Hello friends, you are most welcomed in निरंकारी वीडियो चैनल। इस वीडियो लिंक में हम लोग सेल द यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ टॉपिक पे चर्चा कर रहे हैं और इसमें हम लोग डिस्कवरी ऑफ सेल टॉपिक पे चर्चा करेंगे। सो माय नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज डिस्कवरी ऑफ सेल। Discovery of cell. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He developed a new microscope. He developed a new microscope and was elected fellow of and was elected fellow of the and was elected fellow of the society in 1663. With the help of his microscope, Hooke studied the internal structure of cork. With the help of microscope, he studied the cork and other parts of a number of plants and other parts of a number of plants. He published his finding in the form of a published his finding in his book Micrographia. Early history of cell. Early history of cell. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek Leeuwenhoek observed living cells for the first time when he examined single-celled organism. When he examined single-celled organism, bacteria and protozoa. Erythrocytes, a sperm. Sperms. It's under his microscope. Under his microscope. Robert Brown discovered nucleus in cells of orchid root. Discovered nucleus in the cells of orchid roots. Felix Dujardin named living matter contained inside the cell as sarcode. M.J. Sliden in 1838. M.J. Sliden in 1838. Cells constitute the ultimate unit of plant. Cell constitute the ultimate unit of plant, a structure being made of cell wall. A structure being made of cell wall, a jelly and nucleus. A jelly and nucleus. Each cell leads a double life. Each cell leads a double life, one independent pertaining to its own development alone, the other incidental as an integral part of plant. Theodore Swan in 1839. Animals have similar cells. similar cells to that of plant to that of plant except for the absence of cell wall. Except for the absence of cell wall. Discovered a thin membranous covering. Discovered a thin membranous covering around every cell. Around every cell. It forms the external boundary in animal cell. It forms the external boundary in animal cell but lies below the cell wall. Lies below the cell wall in plants. Published microscopical researches on the similarity in structure and growth of animal and plants. Put forward cell hypothesis. Put forward cell hypothesis. Bodies of animal and plants are made of cells. Bodies of animals and plants are made up of cells. Modified cell theory when he found that cell products form a major part of connective tissue. Next, Purkinje coined the term protoplasm, and same was supported by one mole in 1839 to 1846. Now we will see our next heading, cell theory. Cell theory. Cell theory. The theory was put forward by Sladen and Swan. Theory was put forward by Sladen and Swan in 1839. 1839, which states that the bodies of all living bodies are The bodies of all living beings are formed of cells or formed of cells and their product and their products, and that the cells are structural and functional, and that the cells are structural and functional units of living beings. Units of living beings. The important postulates of cell theory is as follows. The important postulates of cell theory is as follows. Body of all living being is made of cell. Body of all living being is made of cell and its products. Cell develop from pre-existing cells. Cell develop from pre-existing cell. All cells are basically similar. All cells are basically similar, being made of a piece of protoplasm, being made of a piece of protoplasm having a nucleus and covered by a nucleus and covered by a thin membrane with or without vacuoles. Without cell wall. All cells possess similar chemical composition. All cells possess similar chemical composition and metabolic activities Cells are not only units of structure. Cells are not only units of structure, but also units of function. In a living organism. living organism. Activities of an organism are the activities of an organism is the sum of activities and interaction of itself. Sum of activities and interaction of itself. High order thinking. Robert Hooke, father of psychology. Robert Hooke, called father of psychology. Swanson, father of modern psychology. Swanson, father of modern psychology or cell biology. Louis Pasteur, life originates from pre-existing life. Louis Pasteur stated that life originates from pre-existing ones. Naked cell, a cell without cell wall. Naked cell, a cell without cell wall is called naked cell. Objections raised on cell theory. Now we will describe about an overview of cell. So in my next video link I will provide about overview of the cell shape, cell size, cell as compartment, and intracellular compartmentization, and then prokaryotic and eukaryotic cellular structure. So wait for my next video link, and if my content is according to your requirement, then surely subscribe, like, and share my video link in your friend group. Thanks.